I welcome you all to the video lecture on the topic food security in India. Food security in India is the important issue. It is the important topic as per as the standard of living of the people in the country is concerned. The food security in India also shows the self sufficiency of that particular country as per as the production of food grains in that particular country is concerned. So, let us discuss the issues, problems which are related with the food security in India. In this particular lecture, initially I will explain the concept of food security, then we will discuss about the present status of food security in India. At the very outset, here the food security in India, it is concerned with the production of food grains and the availability of food grains in a particular country. In case of India, we got independence in the year 1947 and we started our planned economic development since 1951. Initially and now, the India is known as the agricultural country. The most of the people depends upon the agricultural sector for their livelihood, and the source of income of 50% of the population in India comes from the agricultural sector. In India, from 1951 to 1960-65, we used to import food grains in order to meet the dietary needs of our people, because up to 1965 we were not sufficient as per as the production of food grains is concerned. We were dependent on the other developed countries and we used to import these food grains from other countries of the world. But after the Green Revolution, the process of Green Revolution initiated in India in the mid of the 1960s. And after 1966, after the continuous implementation of the process of Green Revolution in India, slowly we started attaining the self sufficiency in the food grain production. And this green revolution particularly focused its attention on the production of basically two goods. Number one is wheat and number two is rice. Due to the process of green revolution which initiated in the year 1966 in our country, the production of food grains started increasing and we attained self sufficiency after 1966. Here, in this case of food security, what is important? The quantity and quality of food grains is important to take into consideration. The quantity of food grains means whether the available amount and the available quantity of food grains is sufficient to meet the requirements of our people, and at the other side, the quality of the food grain and what quality of food grains we are supplying to our people. After discussing about the quantity and quality of food grains, the second important thing which we should discuss in the concept of food security is about the purchasing power of the people. Only availability and enough production of food grain is not enough while considering the concept of food security. Apart from that, we should take into consideration the purchasing power of the people, whether that available amount of food grains whether the people of our country are in a position to purchase those available amount of food grains or not. That is what the second thing. The purchasing power of the people means the income level of the people of our country should be considered while discussing about the issue of food security. In this particular topic, while discussing about the concept of food security and the present scenario of the food security in India, I will focus on three important points. The first one is availability of food grains, means whether the food grains are available to each and every individual of our country. The second one is the affordability. Affordability means whether the people of our country are in a position to purchase the available food grains, whether they are having enough income to purchase that available food grains. And third one is accessibility. Accessibility means what is the mechanism in our country to distribute the available amount of food grains to general public. How we do distribute these food grains to the general public in our country, that is what the point accessibility is. In this particular slide, I explained some basic concepts, some basic introduction about the concept of food security. Now we will see what are the definitions of food security. In this particular slide, here we can see the definition of food security. The first definition of the food security is given by Food and Agricultural Organization, that is FAO. I read this particular definition. Food security is a situation that exists when all people at all times have physical, social, and economic access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food that meets their dietary needs and food preferences for an active and healthy life. This is the definition given by Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO. As I mentioned in my introductory part of this lecture, while considering the food security, the most important thing is the available quantity of food grains in our country. That is the physical availability of food grains. The second point here mentioned in the definition is about the social access of food grains. It means whether the people of all the stratas, whether the people of different classes, whether they are poor, whether they are rich, whether they are middle class, whether all these stratas of the society, all these classes of the society are getting the food grains, enough food grains for their livelihood. The third important point is economic access. This economic access means whether people of our country are having the enough income to purchase these food grains from the market, whether they are having the purchasing power to get these food grains from the market. This is the third point we should consider. It is what the points which are related with the availability of food grains to the general public in order to meet their dietary needs, in order to meet their basic demands. For what? For what purpose? These are essential for active and healthy life of the individuals in the country. This is what the first definition of food security given by Food and Agricultural Organization. The second definition of the food security, here in this particular slide we can see the second definition of food security given by World Development Report. As per the definition of the food security: access by all people at all times to enough food for active and healthy life. It means enough amount of food grains. For what purpose? The amount of food grains means quantity and quality of food grains for active life and healthy life. In order to maintain the health, in order to maintain the standard of living and healthy life, whether the enough quantity and enough quality of food grain is available to the general public or not. This is what is explained in the definition of food security, which is given by World Development Report. So in this way, now in this way, in this particular topic, at the initial part, I explained the definition of food security. Now we will see, while discussing about the current situation of the food security, current status of the food security in India, it is essential to discuss about three important points. The first one is about availability, the second one is about affordability, and the third point is about accessibility. In this particular lecture, after discussion of the basic concept of food security, I stop here, and in my next lecture, I will explain the current status or the current situation of the food security in India. Thank you for your patience listening.